get on live?
Like them niggas just cry, said fuck spinning. Remember Black Dog? You ain't slide like y'all done lost enough niggas.
Same how they was instantly getting on live, trolling me. Shit, lying on my name. I want to show it. I go by myself out there.
So did you want to show them that you wasn't like, that they wasn't like block huggers?
For sure that.
Can you elaborate on what a block hugger is?
A block hugger gonna be out there every day, not just for no event, like a music video. A block hugger gonna really be out there pressing their line. When I went out there, only ones, I ain't gonna lie, they did have some block huggers. They had a couple dogs. That's about it, you feel me? It was a couple dogs out there.